I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Huawei Watch Fit Special Edition. First, carefully unbox your new smartwatch and remove any protective films from the screen and sensors. Next, connect the magnetic charging cable to the back of the watch and plug it into a power adapter. It's recommended to charge the watch for at least 5 minutes before powering it on for the first time. Once charged, press and hold the side button for about 3 seconds to turn it on and begin the setup process. Now let's pair your watch with your smartphone. Begin by downloading the Huawei Health app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once installed, open the app and go to the Devices tab. Tap Add Device, select Smartwatches, and then choose the Huawei Watch Fit Special Edition from the list. Your phone will search for the watch. When prompted, confirm the pairing code displayed on both your watch and phone to establish the connection. With your watch paired, it's time to personalize it. You can easily change your watch face by long pressing the current one on the watch screen or by browsing a wider selection in the Huawei Health app. Next, customize your notification settings within the app to ensure you receive alerts from your most important applications. Don't forget to enable health monitoring features such as continuous heart rate tracking and blood oxygen saturation, or SpO2, monitoring for comprehensive health insights. Explore the many workout modes available to track your fitness journey. Finally, let's look at some advanced features and tips. Take advantage of the built-in GPS for precise outdoor activity tracking, even when you leave your phone behind. Explore the stress monitoring and guided breathing exercises to help manage your well-being throughout the day. You can also set up quick replies for messages directly from your wrist, a very convenient feature. Remember to regularly update your watch's firmware through the Huawei Health app to access new features and performance enhancements. Keep your watch clean with a soft, dry cloth for optimal performance and longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.